Hi everyone, welcome back to Leighton Vans. Now today we've got another new product launch, which is just something fairly small but makes a big difference in my opinion, is the leather airbag covers for the Transporter. Now everybody knows about our carbon steering wheels. We've got the carbon fibre with the perforated leather and all the different stitch colours that we offer in said steering wheels. So what we've done now is we've gone for these really nice looking leather airbag covers with the little black VW badge on there. These come with all the same stitch colours that our carbon fibre steering wheels come with, so you can match them up and have the steering wheel and the airbag cover to match. Now obviously normally in these vans they're like a textured plastic airbag cover on there, not a very premium looking centre of the steering wheel compared to these leather covers by us at Leighton Vans. So these are on the website. If you want to purchase one, head down to the link, drop us a message on social media, give us a call or send us an email to service@leightonvans.co.uk and we'll get you one of these sorted. Thanks guys.